Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I Richa Parekh from St. Thomas High School, Mahua, am here to further continue with the subject of English grammar for the students of class 6th. My dear students, today we are going to start with unit number 18, that is adverbs. Adverbs are the words that modify or add meaning of the verb, adjectives or other adverbs. So what are adverbs? Adverbs are the words that modify or add the meaning to the verb, adjective or other adverbs of the sentence. Let's see the example. I want that book now. So here now which is used in the sentence, okay, is a part of adverb. The story is very interesting. So here very is used as a part of adverb. Nitya dances gracefully. He reached home quite late. So here quite is used as a part of adverb. There are several types of adverbs. The major types of adverbs are adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree and adverb of frequency. So here we are going to discuss each type of adverb in detail. Let's see the example which we saw before. I want that book now. So here this now indicates the place. So let's first of all see adverb of time. Adverb of time tells us something about the time an action happens. They can answer the question when. So here adverb of time is used when an action is being completed and at what time that action is completed. Such types of adverbs are considered as adverbs of time. In a sentence, when we ask the question when and we get the answer, that is the answer that is considered as the adverb of time. So always ask question when in order to know the adverb of time. Are you going to Kolkata tomorrow? So here we can say when are you going to Kolkata? So the answer here is tomorrow. Leave this place now. So leave this place. When will you leave this place? So the answer will be now. So now is also a part of adverb of time. Come back later. So when will you come back? The answer to this question is later. Let's study in detail about adverb of place. Adverb of place tells us about the place when something happens. They answer to the question where. So adverb of place, when we need to know the exact place where the action or the form of the action is getting completed, we will use adverb of place. And in the same way as we used when in the adverb of time, we are going to use where in the adverb of place. Sumit walked away. Where did Sumit walk or where did Sumit go? When will you go back? I want to sit somewhere. So where you want to sit? So the answer to this is somewhere. So here somewhere is a part of adverb of place. Now let's see adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. Adverb of manner tells us about the ways something happens. They can answer to the question how. So when we need to know the adverb of manner, always ask the question how. In what manner the following things have been done. Mostly, adverb of manner are formed by adding ly to the adjectives. So when we add ly to the adjectives, the form of adverb becomes adverb of manner. So here let's say walk quickly. She got up lazily from the bed. How did she got up? So the answer to this is lazily. We must treat animals gently. Run fast. So here when an action is completed in a particular manner, it is considered as adverb of manner. Now let's see adverb of degree. Adverb of degree tells us the degree or the extent to which something happens. They can answer to the question how much. So when an action is completed up to some degree or up to some extent when something happens and the answer to this question is how much. So it is considered as adverb of degree. Sushma completely cleaned up my cupboard. They hardly knew about the competition. He is quite unhappy about the money he got. So here, how much? When the following examples which we saw, okay, the question to this will be how much. At that time we can come to know whether it is adverb of degree or not. Now let's see adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency tells us how often something happens. So the manner in which the action is getting completed and how often such action is completed, it indicates adverb of frequency. I often think of visiting Kerala. The king sometimes traveled in disguise. Arif rarely got the chance to meet his uncle. So here the words often, sometimes, rarely indicates that how often some things are getting completed or some things are happening. So such type of adverbs are adverb of frequency. My dear students, here we are at the end of today's video. In the very next class, we will solve the exercise of this chapter. So till then, go through this chapter once as a part of your homework. Thank you and have a nice day.